Welcome to Process Analysis 360, a web-based product that helps engineers and system designers model, study, and optimize manufacturing processes. Take advantage of existing data from the shop floor to populate the study, or use the toolbar for dragging new block diagrams into the workspace. The factory asset warehouse contains the physical equipment that is used in the layout. Simply drag the asset to a process, source, buffer, or finished product. This is the same asset library that is used in AutoCAD and Inventor, which will save time during the design stage. Use process analysis to easily identify bottlenecks from planning through layout to help increase your efficiency. Build and analyze your process models almost anytime, anywhere from your web-enabled device. Make modifications for processes and transportation methods early when making changes is the easiest and most affordable to do so, before layout design has even begun. Reports can then be generated and sent to coworkers for review. Check the percentage of time equipment is being utilized, blocked, or down for repair. Also check utilization of buffers and track transportation modes. Once the study is complete, it can be saved as a DWG and used directly in the 2D design. Use familiar AutoCAD tools to move and rotate assets into desired locations in the layout. And finally, sync to Inventor for a full 3D representation of the factory floor. Process analysis is a great tool for simulating and optimizing your designs and is part of the Autodesk digital prototyping solution.